Magudumela is a word that we used to use.
Yeah.
And still use amongst Majita and Nagapilan Levo.
Yeah.
Onal Gudumela Lilumuri, Caspedi Varunyela Diva.
Oh, yes.
No.
Yeah.
All Gudumela. Holy Gudumela, 20 to Kota and Kuti, or build.
Yeah.
Almost that. Mutarga Kakuruma, no, why did you want to learn a prophet? Mutum so.
Yeah.
Sabrafani. Ogrege mention a motolumuri, Kada, le Chavalumu approach again. Nemo was the guy that every time he sees me, he would say, Sfuba Nation. Sfuba Nation, my brother.
Yeah.
This one time, and I said, why are you adding nation?
Nation, yes.
He said, my brother, one day you are going to rule the nation.
Come on now, man.
It was a prophecy that day.
And it made a
people will follow you.
Him.
Kaleripusa, rebata ho tsana ho pala. Kanila ho bangena ke bona ba lo samba kuni na botisa. Kaleripusa, rebata ho tsana ho pala. Kanila ho bangena ke bona ba lo samba kuni na botisa. Here
we're back again. Come to podcast. Remember how it's brought to you by Sly J Next Multimedia, where quality meets creativity. As I always say, one by one. No, the man pila beno tsenze belor khala tlile mo bona. But ne re sa ijaga. And le nna azanka motakare jo mara o tlaneng e jo zwagala. I want ne re sa ijaga no tshwantse etsa gale ka nako ya teng, ka nako e right. Exeme jomi.
Rua.
O khandet.
Jo lautusi.
O palletse pudi.
Yeah, o lautusi re no lwela.
Yeah.
Yeah, why?
Wa bona hona le batho ba leng gore ba nna ka motlasa matlapa.
Yeah.
So ke nya go re dile batho ba leng gore ba nna ka motlasa matlapa and then le ba ileng gore a ba nne ka motlasa matlapa.
Yeah.
So camera wa shime chomi o not introduce wa botse gore ka tseno re na le mang from where o ntse ba le ka motlasa matlapa.
Nna ke nna Sfuba Nation. Real name ke Mphoma Khat. There's a full thing that I do as Sfuba Nation in family kitchen, but whatever, little high. Yeah, Mphoma Khat, born Sosha.
Yeah.
Grew up in Gangala, lived in Mamelodi, back in Sosha, on Swara.
You can't go Mamelodi? No. Wasn't all this time you go to Mamelodi?
No, Mamelodi got Blomaguti because Kera.
Heavenna. Marato Solarata Mamelodi?
Yeah, Mamelodi Julia.
Eh?
Blade Duma.
Yeah.
Given the chance in Gabuela, I learned that.
Heavenna.
Yeah. Even the chance Gabuela Mamelodi. Yeah, before stand up like.
Ke na hanne Mamelodi ka nana le pheli so ne din confuse. Mane ku tla thata bolela ka Mamelodi.
Yeah, mom, Blade Duma straight. Then die from 2007.
So everyone know easy da.
Yeah, ke Kasiaga.
Excellent.
Kasiaga. Okay, first stand up like. That's why you're given the chance.
Yeah,
I go back Canada. Because there was a time when I came back at 2010.
Yeah.
2011. Late 2012.
Yeah.
Ma'am na really span ka mo vets ka.
Yeah.
So when bana ba go nna ne sala ba banyana.
Ko vets aruta.
No, she's a chef.
Oh, okay.
By profession she's a chef. So
yeah.
Hey, Alice ke phigo mara jonga se daga tse spansela bana ka rene wena vaya na ke
tla sala iso yeah.
So when things settled and then le me brale na bua ka boela viego mama. Nada.
Mara re ke lokise ana deng. Ke sure e ke yone ka mfang le sei.
Yeah.
Fro o itrele Mamelodi.
No. Well, nigga moms.
Yeah.
Kispana water me.
Okay.
The funny story about me fro.
Yeah.
Nigga manager go shopung ngwe ko Mayors Park pa itse ke water me. So there was a plastic shop pa itse ke 5-star plastics.
Yeah.
Nigga manager ga ta. Nigga me mo mnyako ya.
Yeah.
So I was the youngest in the shop. Like nigga verga lo batho ba holo.
Yeah.
Before never go shopping over the chainsaw, eating limo on the park. Para yama tomo le go water.
Yeah.
Ka mmona eme mola ka ba bitsa ka re tla mo
Yeah.
tla mo ya no ga re wa itse ba twa itse ke le motho wa metlae
Yeah.
ka re mosadi ya ka shule ba re a fotsego ga fara re ka utlo pisoro
Ba tlo re gafela wena.
we here now 11 years later married understand like le batho ba sala ka ba bontsha that day
Yeah, ba itsebe right.
ka botsa ka re la mona mothola go ba re ka re ke
Mosadi
mosadi
ya ka.
ba ra o meetse le ngwana la ka re ke ya ke le
Mosadi ya ka tla le botsa. Yeah.
tswara ene le na ka mmotsa ka re ke tlo nyala wa tsa ro yang hlajele o kala no go mbono
Yeah.
we here now tswara so
Power of
we
the tongue.
we met go Tamia Banana Silvertip
Okay.
from Swaziland tswara
Oh, ke Mswati.
yeah ke Mswati ke makitsal tsakeni kunye liphu
Kwenze kubhunye kwenzenge?
makitsal tsakeni kunye liphu
Na ka re bolela fase. So nna ke na le problem a ditsebe
makitsal tsakeni ne
Ya go bunyelo eng?
means it wa bona bano
No, akutle o re. Ba ma ke okay shabe re ke di bala go utlwela. O re tsala.
makitsal tsakeni
Yeah.
go bunye liphu
Okay, re ke ska repeat cause go le tsero.
so
Yeah,
that
era o
means-
re.
a ke rukita mo it's to chant
Oh, yeah.
yeah but
Like Moria so like.
ya ba re ba ira go le raheng go be
Go seretseng. Ho go seretseng ho tswe. Oh,
Yeah.
tswa le rena re ke bina botlhoko hampe mo stupung ho tsena ho tswa dust mo stupung.
Yeah.
Oh, something like that.
bona ba ira go le raheng
Oh.
so that means the mud actually becomes dry and there's dust that's how they portray themselves
Wow.
most yeah Maswati but I think it's in a certain clan of a surname
Yeah.
that's got that thing or spoma kitsal tsakeni kunye liphu
Hey, ara re tlole
Oh.
bo.
but I got to learn about the culture anyway.
Oh, you didn't have a choice.
I
mean,
didn't
like,
have a choice.
You didn't have a choice. You had to.
Yeah.
Nachomi, bona. Before, cause na kenya go itsa from Komorao, that's all you growing up. But before that, you've been preaching this for a very long time now.
Yeah.
But till this day, ho sentse ho na le ba ilong hore a ke itse hore ke re maybe ba ignorant or ngondo tsa bona di spana ka tselanyana e different e itseng. Still, re sana le batho ba ilong hore they don't understand the meaning ya magodzomela. Yet we explainile jo like we boletse too much. We tlhalositse wa tlhalosa hore he re bolela ka legodzomela re bolela ka eng but still o sentse nna le bale o utlwa ngwana re no nna ke nyaka legodzomela o tse mo mmotse hore o re nyaka legodzomela no ke nyaka motho wa dithunya ke nyaka so there's still people ba ilong hore ba sa tshwere ngondonyana eo e messed up e why one so now because you are here you just have to explain it again hopefully now go na le ilong hore e tla tsena ya dumbela mara ya sfeta ke re o itse re go tsgelana ba re tsena ka mo ditswa ka so e tla tsena and then ya nna stele ka mo ngondong and then I understand.
I want to learn. I don't know if it's Adoko, it's Madlanga.
Yeah.
They were interviewing Kwanas. He explained it very well. Nakongo school is very important.
No.
Because they teach you a structure of learning things.
Yeah.
It might not be education, but it's just a structure of how you should learn something.
Yes.
We can't explain something 15 times and it doesn't land into your head. It means by nature you are ignorant.
Thank you.
Understand?
Yeah.
I can't be telling you the same thing.
All the time.
Ke wine glass.
Mm-hmm.
Warrior ke wine glass. Karsu, intwe. Ke wine glass. Warrior ke wine glass. Ka bua ka o botsa yona 15 times. Ka ntwe ke wine glass. Wa bua wena wa a mfe glass o ya beer. Wa bona o khetha ho se ja ke ho lela.
Yes.
My theory is this. I don't believe there's anyone who's stupid more pillow.
Yeah.
I believe people just don't apply their brain to the best of their ability.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
You might not be good at something.
Yeah.
But you need to find something that you are good at, and that's where your intelligence
becomes.
It's kind of like motwaling dyslexic. Dyslexic people, they have like Modimo Bafa one set of skills.
Yeah.
They don't this.
Yeah.
Understand? Mara motwateng o thoma mo ruta math. Makaya change the number. So
yeah.
Instead of 35, you see a
53. Yeah.
Then as black people run one
this
person is dyslexic. You just need to find
what
they're good at and then you emphasize on it. Then more potential high. So I can't be telling you ba ira tšhelete ko strateng.
Yes.
Ne? And I practically show you, because besides talking about it, I practically show people what I do.
Yeah.
Understand? Then after that, when I was what the ketela or magotomela narveta, dithunya kai kai ra utswa ditšhelete. A tsangwa mpona ke ira dilo tse. Understand?
Yeah.
And I believe I'm an opportunist in a way where there's an opportunity.
Yes.
Remember podcasting, it's an opportunity. You could have called anyone else, but you decided to call me.
Yeah.
When I come to this podcast, it's more numbers for me, it's more numbers for me.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Before get a mook, because talk di keep. Somebody printed, some good rigs go marketing gas at So you understand that there's a lot of things that are being done. Mariko strategy.
Yes.
It's not money alone or transit.
Yeah. Hey.
So I'll tell you the very same way that I said it on this other podcast. I said the narrative in itself got changed by women.
Oh yes, that's true. Yeah.
But they don't even understand.
They are good to me like
some guy for a small period of time, it's moloka, as opposed to boyfriend there high that's trying.
That's
Avita o lakal gudumela at that's trying in the house.
Blacksome.
Ajola lelo nal gudumela.
Yeah.
Avita to So that's where the problem is. We don't understand the narrative, nor do we want to understand it. We want to have it in our own version. That's why I'm not going to do rawa. So let's decide.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Like you also need to understand lirikipa tama guzumela rirekisa. Ipela dina di philosophy. Wabona lese kiskipa sama guzume. So as long as we are not wasting time, we don't have to worry about the process.
Yes.
It means the process might be long.
It might take a year.
But as long as we are not wasting time doing this thing.
Yeah.
In a year's time, didn't I achieve?
Yeah.
Otherwise, if it's a waste of time, so I feel like even if we explain it,
it
defeats the purpose, Brian. It defeats the purpose, like in many ways. Like,
yeah. I don't think I'm a jarring.
Yeah. Those are people that are not even misrepresented in the country, but they're not counted.
Le ba ba to pa dithini rena re makala furu re fitla ko phapong re go check whatever re kwetse re ka go le sekolo ba tlile ba topa ba tsama ba ilo ka disa daso ba itsa saka.
And you know what I've realized now?
Yeah.
Diamonds about to pa dithini. I see now they even starting cleaning companies now.
Yeah.
So what they do is they approach you if you've got an event.
Yeah.
So we're gonna leave event the price of what I have 3 or 4. And the one side,
yeah.
Let me to make it event. I know very well or cleaning is.
Yeah,
but these guys are here, so I'm paying these guys. So what are we doing now? Are we not rotating the money amongst us? So they don't even realize every day.
Yeah.
Because trajectory is
yeah.
Una le history ya ntshweleng hore o ithomile ka nako wena no monyatsa o sa mmone as le gutsumela, because wena o ya ka wena le gutsumela tshwantse le le spotisa Gucci apare ya Dior
ke ma botlola ma a ka hona o e bile le hona ska le
Answer.
A o rekele di stropes
I stropes 24 understand
Ash.
lo tso ka se dino o direla rena
Ro bone, yeah. Le for social media.
okay umpia then what
Then what? And what's part one?
ra dumela ra hana ra dumela
Yes.
umpia wena
Then what?
umpia
Yeah.
then what must happen is to live
Furo na tshota borotho.
so I can criticize it dilo tse ba dirang.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
just
yeah,
saying,
yeah.
those are not the people that we want to represent.
Yes.
Bontswana.
Yeah.
Those are not the people that we want to make sure that they reach their peak. Bontswana. It takes guts and it takes a lot of courage.
Yeah.
For someone to say I cannot say.
Yeah.
And it is nang selo so. Two ba ka mfang yona no. Go ya go ba re send cool time ka direkisa. Ka ema go strateng at 30 degrees.
Yeah.
Ka rekisa di cool time tsela go ke khono busa thutlitela plus profit. It takes guts. It's not an easy thing.
Risky.
I really ke mang le mang. Nna personally I would not nga kwa before 1 o'clock ya mtsa. Bontswana.
Yeah.
So now those are the people that I respect in my realm to say demand was bad. So imagine o ga fa motho mo be opportunity ya gore a khono tsena ka maradi 100,000 200,000 gore o spana bya already ana le work ethic ya na yona ya o baisa di cool time mo tseleng. Remember it's also risky. Demand tsamaya ka mara burial line.
Yes. O mongwe tla bethile dilo tsa hae so re stressa ya bethile go yeah.
Demand o riska phelo ba every day.
Ash.
Or ke rekisa di cool time. High. The maximum amount that he would have in his pocket is 200 for the whole day.
Yeah.
Bontswana.
Ash.
Ha fetsa wena o mpotsa ka motho mongwe le mongwe o ropa batho a scama batho kwa. Gore ke le gutsumela.
Motho wa le tlhogo e bile.
Na batho ba re ba itsa re ba recognize. Bontswana.
Lexon.
Le ba ipitsa magutsumela ke magutsumela gona go ba leng go teng.
Yeah.
Ba itse.
Yeah.
Bontswana. They're not even in our organization. Bontswana.
No, I understand what you're saying because ke sana le batho ba baya ba ileng hore le nna e ba bolela le nna bana le tselanyane ngo ba bolelang ka yona malobanyana ke na la netshiri o ekta go riding go scheme sami ka sole le bitso la hae so ne re le go eventing e one ke le msida so now we are scamitsi yena itse so ke taba tsela tsa di introduction no nna ke nna se bondengetse the first thing that she said are like ndengese ora I'm like mahore ndengese ora o bolela ka re ndengese yona ila like I'm like okay so we still have those people ba long hore ho ya ka bona ndengese ke shandisi ila
never mind that.
Well, I understand already. And so azange aona ba ilong ba hodiswe ke bokoko re batswadi ba bona ba hodiswe ke bokoko they don't even understand wa tlhalohanya ke netu netlana so
so it's always like that, but that's why you cannot force people to learn.
Yeah.
Yeah. Learning it's another thing ilong hore na I feel learning is unteachable. Because the teachers will also stand every day on the chalkboard, teach you something that you are supposed to be taught. If you're having trouble, at the go ahead individually, teach you something, but if you're not willing to learn, it defeats the purpose.
Agar ba khono bea ndengese mola ba re answer ke true or ke false.
False, yes.
O mongwe I don't know.
So where were you?
Yeah, it's like
come classes.
Why tlhalohanya? Flexum. Anyway, no, it's fine. Mechu mbona re tse go morao, you growing up o hodile byang, environment ne le byang.
And I grew up I grew up in too many segments.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, I grew up on Gangala, was a domestic worker.
Yeah.
So I'd say half of my childhood was distinguished between Gangala and Constancia Park. I had white godparents. Well, I still got them. They are alive, you know.
Yeah.
Because most of my childhood I grew up alone.
Okay.
The time I nearly contract. Kitchen me mo bua di weekend the time I go after 3 months. So no by one come on. like lotsa bo di budget le hore ke tshwantse ke structure hore ke kera bjang ke reka bjang.
Yeah.
Nna ke ditse ke sa le mfana.
Yeah.
Because now, and the thing is, I got to realize it later when I grew up that I got white in fete mo ta spana di kitchen mo tsamaiwa ka di bestela tsa bo di patco. So ticket ka nako tsela no kra ya kgwedi ke bo ma 400 and something.
Yeah.
And nna ke nyaka teke itseng. But I lekane ka mara, you know, budget ya ka mtshara. So mkekulu nna go spanning a bua ka disati hore a ska reka ticket.
Oh yes.
So that I couldn't buy a seat.
Yes.
Plus also pay for private school and transport. And you understand? I've only realized that just recently. Oh yeah, but this is why she was one. Yeah. So, and it's also one of those things that I grew up, you know, but I always thought that she's my mother, and then as you grow, you tend to realize, no, this is not your mother. Your mother is this one. And, you know. Those type of things. Yeah, you understand. So, yeah, and look, I think it's an education until grade 4, and then the rest is one. Yeah, because I think grade 1 and then grade 2 and 3, my great grandmother and I came back and I did grade 4, and then after that from grade 5 it was private schools.
Why score? Why kapile sele so sinale shibirishwang sinale thing.
But still, let's do the
yeah, no, at least when at least you balance.
Yeah, I'm multilingual.
So what do you mean?
So you know,
yeah.
And another thing, because I'm quite a talkative person and gay.
Yeah.
I learned a lot of languages.
Oh yeah.
But remember, Nkangala is heavily dominated. Then also Honale Mapedia Nganori sites Limpopo as Cocoon. Then also Honale Watswal Kago Mamelodi Sosha.
Yeah.
So Nkangala Takatakan in languages. It's almost the same as
Sosha, yeah.
On Twara. So you get to learn a lot of languages there because of, you know, there's people from different places and, you know,
Yeah.
Very small place. On Twara. It's a small town.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Wow, it's yeah.
On Twara. But, you know, very peaceful during the day. Jampase.
Yeah.
I was serious. You know? And as small as it is, like the crime that's there, it's really overwhelming is lack of a better word. It's amazing. Because
yeah.
Understand? Because that's why now we learn most of the things growing up. That's why I grew up somewhat fair, because on this side I grew up on the side of, you know, I was at private school and all of that, but then
strategy, yes.
So strategy,
yeah.
Bona magenza ra duma ba ruta game ra tsena ra ira ra phakwa wa ntshwara, then you get to realize
this is nonsense. Yeah,
as a game ya guy ra back and forth and the money doesn't add up, you know? So you want to read in this thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, I think my upbringing was like that, and then obviously I moved to Mamelodi. Mamelodi is somewhat the same thing.
Yeah.
But you know, with Mamelodi, the nice thing about Mams is when you see an opportunity, you can be it. Mamelodi does not gatekeep.
Oh yes,
that's one thing I like about Mams. Majita Mams, it's very few that you would find that they would gatekeep you into something that you want to
do. Yeah.
On Twara. Mamsa aba fielan.
Yeah.
There will be one guy out of 30, and that guy, I don't know what to feel because Ralinka go Mamelodi.
Yeah.
When I kill Kabuta rooms, Roma butariva.
Mm.
Wena wa nyaka something and selo sela o se nyaka go riva. Mara riva o tlhantsa se tlhola sa o nyaka because wena o
Ye go kheletse
a o khella ena o botsa re sa le wa khella Sefuba.
Yeah.
A ro
How khonahale, yeah.
Mamelodi bia. We are a chain, we link together.
Yeah.
On twar.
Mm.
So the minute o snas out
Mm.
kamara Mamelodi.
Yeah.
Kamara Mamelodi wa 7 go bola ke tla.
Mm.
Mara go le mojita ba iturajo ke mojita.
Yeah.
O ka se thabele o bolela re ba fethu nna go nna
Ka kawate. Yeah.
ene o tla bona kore gona mo
Mm.
mo go no emela re la ma PS wa phuza sa 7 so wa na 5 jacket
Yeah, wow.
mama so e tso
Yeah.
ha mina na choko mina na ini tso so mare mfake motho no mkhapa o thenga malai re ke ma bona thukipa mola o bo lokele o lovely go wa bona lo ntse le bona le nwa di biri go sa yana
Yeah.
wa ntlhalwa re go phidiwa bjao ka mara.
Mm.
That's why I fell in love with that place because of like fine, like there's a lot of crime in Mums. There's a lot of killings. But the unity that they have amongst Mauti, especially about Forster.
Yeah.
Good test.
Yeah, ne?
But why it's a location? It doesn't surpass. It doesn't surpass from greed. It doesn't surpass from
jealousy and stuff, yeah.
It doesn't surpass from that. It's just that I would say it's better. From the custody.
Listen. Now, fast forward. Sefuba shu hodile. Rajika bano re tsena ka mara Sefuba re ka re Sefuba bano le bitso le. Le tlhakae, le kopana kae bjang le Sefuba Nation le godzomela. Like combination e thomile kae hore tsfeletse another brand that it is now.
The word Sefuba in itself is like bolo.
No dlala bolo.
Yeah, I get it.
Hawa mona.
Raga ke
Hawa mechu no dlala bolo.
Hola ka ofile ground na bolo. Ko nna go nkanga lo mo ground dash. I had nothing else to play but soccer.
Oh yeah, ground ash so bona.
Yeah, how to go na ga gate yana.
To kopana le ground.
Le no nga we say sal ground.
Yeah.
So there's nothing
You're not
that I would
no
do but soccer.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
I was not the best at soccer.
Okay, yeah.
I was not the best at things. Like when I'm majita never skills there whole.
Yeah.
Understand? Like another guy on Atomino Mumpita was other guy work Sabs. God rest his soul. You look over faith.
Oh yeah.
Here the thing, like Naive I didn't realize it until he started naming me that thing. Like Sabza Natala 7.
Yeah.
Nanega Tala 9. Nanega Spring Cat.
Okay.
So Sabza had a thing or Kohaga Square Kai Krea Bulu like
Oh, it was well.
Henkai chest trapper shooter, not over Rangil Valley.
Yeah.
Then the name came from there. Like
Okay.
how much oh
Oh, it's already a murky.
Square la vela, I trapper.
Yeah. Yeah.
Who playing this Fuva?
Yeah.
Fuva started.
Fuva Isa. Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Then I got injuries in soccer. I got interested in music. I started rapping. For a while, I was rapping with the same name, Willis Fuva. And there was a guy, Kunkanga, like, I think he's still there, Barking Nemo. Nemo is a guy from Tanzania. He started a shop where he dreadlocks it down.
Okay.
Nemo was the guy that every time he sees me, he would say, Sfuba Nation. Sfuba Nation, my brother.
Yeah.
This one time when I said, why are you adding nation?
Nation, yes.
He said, my brother, one day you are going to rule the nation.
Ah, come on now, man.
It was a prophecy that day.
And it told me that I could
People will follow you.
Lexem.
People will follow you one day.
Lexem. Joe, that is ever listening is a skill.
Yeah, so that's how the name Sfuba Nation started.
Yeah.
Once one. To say in anything that I do within the entertainment industry, I don't have fans. I've got a nation. So these people are my family.
Yes.
I don't have people who follow me around and they say I'm your biggest fan. That's why when they even say
yes.
You know, we must just be brothers and sisters because if we are saying we are a nation, one doesn't have to bow down to the other. You can admire, but you can't be bowing down to another person.
Yeah.
You understand what I mean? So That's how the name Scuba Nation started. Fast forward, look, we did music. We released music videos. We tired, me and my friend.
I get on only pina
Yeah, we tired. Me and Room, we tired of doing music.
Music.
We've been doing it for a while. And, you know, when I started, you know, TikTok videos and Idira as a joke and they took off, I told Room, I said, when you're not about music, you have to listen.
Yeah, you focus on you.
Yeah, you know, I've always wanted to, I've got a dream of changing the world. So why don't we just start now and see if we can change certain narratives about the world that we are living in. So part of wanting to change the world, one, it's a far-fetched dream. Secondly, it doesn't happen overnight. So you are going to work. So music now becomes a distraction. Besides, Joe, I looked at it and I said, hey, if we're going to be music, studio promoter. I don't know how you guys still do it. Fanda Afuratora. I didn't quit music because I don't like it anymore. I just quit because I'm tired. Maybe that's really well. I don't know, Mara. I know Hona. It's not something I'm thinking of. So yeah, basically that's how the name Scuba Nation came through.
So hey Bargemang. Kana Bargemang in Tatona. What it is? Kelwala Livizo Lahai. As David Cow. David Cow. Maybe again. Le Black Coffee Baga no. Rashaba move mong and then Obana Pinela no we dumbedite mong moving all kana baraki move.
Oraka Hisolidi.
Kahisolidi.
Barawa.
Baranyaka treke for another movie that we're shooting like the one that you did before.
I'll probably try it, but the thing is Asoski is very special because Asoski was the first song in South Africa that combined Bacardi and rap.
Oh.
Yes. I don't think if I had to do something, it would be the same.
Oh yeah.
Asoski had a lot of inspiration behind it, and Asoski had a producer that was a Bacardi producer and me as a rapper, and we said, let's collaborate. Then how do we collaborate? No, let's mix what we have together and see what's going to come. And that's how Asoski became involved. Like Asoski is a storyline about a woman that is living a double life. Like her it was sampled from a song, Bacardi.
Oh.
Yeah, it was sampled from a song, Bacardi. Because, well, I don't have the song in Rome. Do you still have Asoski? Yeah, So we sampled that part, and then after that we started looping the beat. Then we did like verses 36.
Oh yes,
because that song belonged to Nicolo. And we did it with Nicolo. Wow. And it was, you know, at Sao Paulo, Bracos. It was a show I don't know if you a lot of people know him. A lot of people know him as Charlie from the River.
The River,
He was doing a show with Bracos West, and I performed the Asoski on that day. So that's where Kagiso saw the song.
Oh,
and he said, hey, Joe, I love this song. Because that day when I performed the song, when I was supposed to get on stage, people said they wanted a repetition of that performance.
Oh, Black Sun,
And we did that performance again. And he came out of VIP. So after that, so that day, and he was the DJ, and he had it on a CD.
He had it
on a CD. And he also had it on a USB. Then now when they started doing the movie Matuetwe, they curated that song. Then after that, that's only when they called me. No, we got your number from Bagzito. Hey Joe, we love this song.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
Can we use it for the movie? I said, yeah, well,
Yeah.
I don't mind.
Mm-hmm.
Little did I know we were going to
So
be paid. I didn't even
Kerezana,
know.
yeah.
Once like
Yeah.
again.
Mm.
Singing Magalava phone of you. Every sort of
The banking details.
the banking details.
Eish. Even the fair no.
Yeah. Hello, good to be.
What do I expect?
Conversation. Esa phone la Nicolo Grim. Rohodi. Oh my jacket. Hey! What's up? Hey! Cosa da verme bra, ove ti le cara, ai lo jaga ko kili. Ada apa jaga ta? Are drop ta ya boss. Ga drop sara ha juga salah. And because we had registered the song at Sambo, you know, they also made sure that it was registered within the, I think it's the syncing. Yeah, syncing or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is it? Is it syncing when they take your song and put it on Sambo? Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Ukarina look at the royalties now. I must just check.
Yeah, I didn't there.
Yeah, you know, obviously when the movie plays.
Yes, yeah.
They make sure
Sharp now go di khata hore re khono re be mona ko o kopana ka ile acting a umpola ile mola mo movie a mola ke botsa kopse ke re mara no metsa ke suba mo ya umpethile rayo
a jo kopano. I'm not an actor. Like,
yeah.
Frankly, I think I'm bad at acting.
Yeah, mara that part we beti.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
But Kopano, you know, he convinced me since too much.
Yeah.
I want you to do a scene.
Yeah.
Joe. And I think that, you know, this would be, you know, I'm listening to Kopano. But the thing is, you must understand one thing. Kopano is a visionary.
Yes.
So Kopano has a way of manipulating you into doing things, and it's gonna work in your advantage.
Yeah.
You know, I haven't seen the movie.
You haven't? Oh, can I stay?
Where we Messina? Yeah. When the movie was premiering, now I was in Messina. I haven't seen the movie.
Okay, boy.
But I did the part, and I saw it on the trailer, and I said, wow, maybe we did it.
Yeah.
I was blind good.
Yeah.
Understand? Now for now, in my personal opinion, I'm not a good actor. I've never acted before.
Yeah.
Understand? That was my first scene, and I'm good. It's good. If I get other scenes, I'll try the way I tried there.
Wait till you see it. Wait till it's over out there. You'll see. Maybe
also a part of it is because the people the actors are bad.
Oh yes.
Bagzito, Botapelo Sumo, the old meeting,
oh yes.
Nele Makavasa on the river, Bo Vetisen Moni, see, like whatever one, Nelly schemes is one but at campus.
Yeah.
So I got to be their friends because Nelly scheme Bagzito. Bo uncle Zigala, like a more than
yeah, Nali, so as a
man
made that
to understand.
Yeah.
I've went to most of his plays, go state theater,
yeah.
Yeah, bo veja, bo yeah, na press leader, pillar, na remita to wait.
Yeah.
Understand? So, hopefully, another thing, merepa mo state theater. Most of the actors go to. So you understand that, you know, that connection right there.
Yeah.
You know, so maybe I've seen a couple of plays and whatever, and I did my best in acting, but not personally. I just think I can't act.
Yeah.
You know, but if it came out nice, I'm glad because Niki Muti is al kopan Joe.
This is the instant.
Joe, and I go Munati. Then it means, you know, we can try it again sometime. You know?
Magozumela.
Yes.
Magozumela kagai like Yauka Super Nation kagai Maravumbo Magozumela.
Magudzumela is a word that we used to use
Yeah.
and still use
Mm-hmm.
amongst Majitan Nagapilamiwo.
Yeah.
I jwaro no gudzumela ngirtla no bona hore.
Oh, yeah.
Jo I dinar magudzumela jo yarna raila tella jo I
Mhm.
clone.
Mm.
Jo I dinar magudzumela braga ke middleman. Understand?
Yeah.
Jo I dinar magudzumela jo. Anolela yo yenyane fela ya hore tlisti bana ba khome.
Yes.
See how the name came about.
Mm.
I can never claim the name, but I can represent it.
Oh, yeah.
Bonsoir.
Oh,
I can't stand at a place and say, I came up with the name Magudzumela. No. But I can still say I'm the greatest activist of it, and there's no one that can do it better.
O le file seriti wa le fa meaning.
You understand?
Yes.
Yes. So that's why I can stand there and say I'm the greatest activist of it, and
Yeah.
bring whoever thinks they can do it better.
Yeah. Mm.
Bonsoir.
Yeah.
It makes it seem like the name is mine because a lot of people never knew the name until I got
Okay,
part of
all
it.
in yes.
But the name was always there, Maraman.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So, another thing it created a misconception is also the fact that Lina Lama Gutumel, it was mostly popular in Mamelodi.
Oh, yes.
And Mamelodi was
Oh, Blackson. Oh, yeah.
Bonsoir.
Hey,
So now that's what perpetuated the whole thing.
yeah, I know.
Understand?
What was it?
Yeah. So, but yeah, man, the name, came about like that. And it started being popular when I was explaining to someone on TikTok that I don't remember, he was telling me Kadi Cheese Boy and what.
Yeah.
And I said, but you do know who Cheese Boy how? In the connection. Narma Guzumela, na Ugaru Stagile, Unikapa,
Yeah.
Kafunela Aneman.
Kukapara.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Atayana Dai Aneman.
Yeah.
Ancestor bona Sawara, most women rumile.
Yeah, ke tlo
Sorle tire, ke sorle 5 liter petrol or change tire le.
Tshela
Petrol
petrol.
Grachi iso ko
Yeah.
tella full tank. Sawara ke tla ilukisa le diamond. Wa gra diamond a shiba o botse lina la ha o thusitse o feditse China.
Apama, yeah.
Bonsoir. Bokutumela ke bo ba hore rena we always have connections everywhere.
Yes.
Bonsoir.
Yeah.
Makutumela we pride on connection.
Mm-hmm.
Nasu ga sta ka Messina nga sta ko la.
Yeah.
Messina.
Yeah.
Wa re fuwa ke ko Messina a kitse motho batho ba ba bolela Svenda.
Yeah.
Dira byang. Ka 10 minutes wa tla vanza tse 50 di apere ba apere dikipa tsa Makutumela.
Yeah.
Ba re o re sta dile byang mo braya ka nna ke tsore jeke.
Ala ke tsore, yeah.
Ibila re thowe ba o fa le marobalo wa ja wa nwa wa ba mojita ka
Yeah.
ka fruwa shapa karawa ya hae.
Blackson.
O le Messina wa bona
Yeah.
go botsa ke khule
Khule bjang, yeah.
This is at the border
Go fisa yo kwa, yeah.
ba tla nna ko sta ko latha.
Blackson.
Bonsoir. Because I prided myself in having connections.
Yeah.
A hona mo nna ke sna nchomi braka, you name it, I've got friends.
Mm-hmm.
Understand?
Yeah.
I've got friends le pleke tse ke sa yang bo Kostere bo Ngwan bo a shibike ida but I've got friends.
Me da, yes.
Yeah. Ke khono tsena ka pleke batho ba iputsora gitse motho re tsena ka pleke la ke ntse kholo ke re o ntse kana re le jo mo nna lo ena re ka tlhakana ka ya se bona le KCM o fetse man re mo tlhalla motho ba jo witse ba ndima no ko ga ndima jo o re mo re ka ikang
Yeah. Just like that.
ka le ke tsosa batho ka seo.
Yeah.
Understand? Because holol gutumela wa tshwanno stuck on tshwara.
Yeah.
Holol gutumela, you must know gore ko tsamayang ko teng you build, you don't destroy. Understand?
Yeah.
A witse gore wa thusa ke mang neng byang on tshwara. Ha ona le gutumela le leng gore ka spedi ba ronyela didiba.
Oh, yes.
No.
Yeah.
Ha o le gutumela. Holol gutumela o tshwantse o itse gore ko tsenang ko teng wa build.
Yeah.
Understand? Motho a re ke tlhakurumane gore wa itse jona la na brafane ba marakurumane motho mosososo wa mi.
Yeah.
Sa brafane o kry ke mentiona motho e leng gore ka da le tšhaba le mo approacha ke
mogolo ka da, yeah.
ra ke mfana
Yeah.
ke rora o kholo ke re kholo ke re ya melaite
Yeah. Arshon Grootman. Yeah. Yeah. Aish.
Ke buildile, Brian.
Yeah.
Understand?
Mm.
If you have read, if you haven't got it, get the book. Or
Yeah.
check the movie that thing.
Yeah.
Or check The Godfather.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people have watched The Godfather, but they never realize the philosophy behind the movie The Godfather.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The Godfather always dealt this way. Every favor that you want,
Mm-hmm.
why here? But you must also be ready for the day when it comes to collect.
Oh, yes. Yes. Yeah. Kumara wa hao na lendenge sor mo fendenge se mo ai pumuli ska wara ai pumuli ai pumuli.
So every favor that you want, anything.
Yeah.
Like people used to line up. The Godfather Yama Tomo, the movie.
Mm-hmm.
People lined up on the day of his daughter's wedding. Somebody will have you guys mara. This guy is his daughter's wedding, but you lined up here and all of you are coming to ask favors. Fail.
Yeah.
So in New York, that time he was part of the Corleone family. Like in New York, a lot of things were run by the family, not gangster.
Mm-hmm.
An Italian family. It's like Italian mafia.
Yeah.
That's what the families they were talking about.
Mm-hmm.
Any favor we nyaka braga lokare ke nyo go tsosa butcher ka tseno wa ifanda wa itsosa tsatsi le lengwe o founela re sura hey ke ka party mo ya ngwana mo
Ke nyaka
mfe nama khomo ba se ra ke ne
spo ga o khonahale.
Yeah. So the mentality came about there to say, help where you can so that one day people can be able to help you.
Yeah.
Understand? And that type of humility and respect amongst people, it doesn't even have to be enforcement or how to say. They help you because they know that you have helped them first. And you need to also understand one thing. You can't be helping everyone expecting them to help you as well. But it's broken people who do not understand humanity.
Yeah, man.
Understand? They only understand taking advantage. That's why hapo waiti jo rena batho ba bantu and especially batho ba nahana ka mkho. They're so stupid motho tenga ka bola a relationship e leng gore nga be re buildile re ja chelete for 15 years ka 15 minutes. Just because he got greedy and decided to suba the style. On one. Para suba ga monoga.
Yeah, that's nice.
Wa gra lo ro ntho nno ka ngo yona. Ke ntho re feeling this wound again. Wena a wa tloela se budege ka mkhoda ka.
Yes.
So na no gar dide go ikra ka style go.
Yeah. So wona pile style ke magi.
Wa gra lo da ka sa jaga.
Yeah.
Wena o tano ruka ya ke ro boga ra wena.
Flexes.
E no ka se la tso lo ka mo wa re ba fetu.
O tlo ka se.
Rai a tshwarelo ra o fa.
Yeah, ma.
Ya numba feta
pedile. Yeah.
Even if it's a
yeah.
So,
straight.
Yeah.
Listen. So now, Mechomi, Rotobalela ka ndengese, ko bona le ndengese ya hao, aya birthday celebration, we celebrate ka tselanyana e nngwe e different.
Yeah.
E o re go fitla mo yona e. A re bolela ka Majita Monday. Because now I know rona le podcast le tumileng le room.
Victoria Masanye.
Yeah, I know I was there and busy for interview. Hey, jiki bona ona la Majita Monday mo. Let's call it bona Majita Monday mo na ba sumela. Bona bo make jiba bolela ka yona ke ra no hwanyewa no.
Yeah, look, we're really busy ka Victoria Masanye in the room.
Yeah.
Then I got a call from Buitumelo Tou. Buitumelo Tou is the owner of Blom Lifestyle Kombamelos. Young guy, very young.
Yeah, one of
the youngest club owners, Gamarabams. Like even Latom and now Blom is like 6 years old.
Flexam.
On Twan.
Yeah.
He calls me, he's like, hey Joe, did they how am I going to make like a first time? We've been friends now. So when I got there, we used to have the lunch.
Okay.
But conceptualizing just things in life and talking about things. And he says to me, I want to start something, but I don't know how to start it. And the thing is, when I start talking and I want us to start something that is more unique.
Yeah.
That's how now we came up with the concept of changing Mogodu Monday to Majita Monday. Every Monday at Blom.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because everybody was doing
Mogodu Monday, yes.
And we said, let's do Majita Monday. But doing Majita Monday, let's mean that we are going to include a podcast in here.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
And we're going to make sure that this podcast, it's a podcast Yago Majiti. So the concept in itself, like it's quite simple, but it's clever if you look at it, because no matter what I check, I have a wide view thing. Because the third corner, I look like a camera.
Yes.
Majita Monday is unscripted. Majita Monday is Majita Ilungurwa Bromile go Koning. Kapele go Koning, there's intellectual conversation.
Yes.
That's what people don't understand.
Yes.
Go Koning, wam kriyam tauchonal ma e.
Yeah.
Go Koning wam kriyam tauchonal Lennox is an IT technician. Go Koning wam kriyas Duman. He's someone that is very good at the camera and everything, and he's also studying law. Go Koning.
Yes.
Understand? These are people that you find at the court. A person who's got a degree in financial whatever. But
yeah.
So you can't disregard a corner or anything. Because that's what people have portrayed a corner as.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is a corner.
Yeah.
Corner. You like a corner in the
Yeah.
Understand? Corner right now is at a point where it's teaching South Africa a lot.
Yeah.
Corner hill.
Flexum.
So all of that was between me, Louis Tumeloto. We took that corner from his side and my side and combined it and formed Majita Monday. We didn't actually leave
Pitori Masanye. Yes.
But Majita Monday at the time needed more attention.
Yeah.
But also it grew rapidly in numbers, and we started understanding, let's pay more attention
on it. Yes.
Then now Majita Monday started being a well-oiled machine. Now we revamped Pitori Masanye to a whole new network now. It's not even a one show. It's Speak. So we decided we're going to create Speak, and we're going to have 5 shows to more shows inside Speak as a channel network. You see, so I think, it was time for growth as well when it came to Pitori Masanye. And of course, Pitori Masanye is still there, as a show. We were still even deciding if we should be the ones carrying it on, or maybe get
someone,
get someone to, to push it for us, because the thing is, I don't want our faces to be everywhere.
Yes. Yeah.
I don't want us to do 15 shows and our faces are there. Hence I said to Romeo, we need to decide are we giving it to someone?
Yeah.
Or we still want to do it ourselves now? But it's a show that's also still there.
Yeah. But he can do it. He doesn't have a show, Pen.
He's also on Speak.
Oh, he's also on Speak. Yeah, but he can do it.
Yeah. These days I.
No,
Yeah, these days are something.
Yeah.
Yeah, they moved. So, but he's a great uncle. He's on the
Malome. Your birthday, Mechomi. There's a poster, and different and I also want you to focus more on the power of giving, because it's your birthday, you're supposed to receive. But when on your birthday celebration, you want to give instead of you receiving. Let's talk about that.
I always give.
No, I know you always give.
I always give. I just don't post about it.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I believe giving doesn't have to do with me showing you that I'm giving, but I always give. I always give because I'm also given things.
Oh yes. Oh, yes.
I always give because I understand the struggle of people out there. There's no environment I've never been in. Ke ntse ka mara mkhukhu braga wa fuka ke moya o groga
He pula ena go krele le mbata le dikotlolo.
Yeah, ona le mongwe sala ka betha video mo go TikTok. It's just that when people are not clever, they're not clever.
Yeah, well.
Mothola wa itse ke bolela ka gore jole na mara la dala nna re di botse. Sala wa robala o yemi ka be ka tsaya gore just thinking of the experience that ka tsaya. I remember there was a day when it was raining so much that and mind you, my daughter was there on that day. No nela.
Yeah.
Mara le senkelela le ntse so. So tshwantse ke le balance gore le ska nela ngwana. Ke bibia. Because at the time it was impossible. And my daughter was sleeping right on the bed. I think she was like 4 or 5 months now at that time. Understand? I thobaletse ngwana. Ha o tlile.
Ha o tsena na o tseke o lora mona tibile.
Nna ka le papa ke mika na le bucket kwa nyewa mkhukhu go fly. Ai solusa ka da. So the things that I speak about, this is what people don't understand. So nagir content braga ke
yeah.
Understand? That's why I've never said to people or people just see me and make their own assumptions.
Yeah.
And no pillar free. It's life.
Yeah. Raja, yes. Yeah, man.
So my thing with giving is I've been given a lot.
Yeah.
I've been given a lot of opportunities, and some of them I wasted. Some of them were not for me.
Yeah.
Some of them were proper. You know, people have given me things out of the goodness of their hearts.
Yeah.
And I also like giving. It makes me feel good as a person. So on my birthday, which is on the 12th of July, I just decided, look, I'm gonna give, but to give, I need to reach a certain milestone. So if I get a poster, and I post you know, with this poster, I'm literally gonna go to all of my friends.
Yeah.
And get them at gunpoint. Well, gunpoint in a figure of speech. Like
Oh
shoot, smoke.
Yeah, got video, yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Because I'm a joke. I'm not truly speaking, Joe, and I need to put this out. I cannot have so many powerful and successful friends and not be able to reach a target of 100 jackets and 100 blankets. No way.
Yes.
Guy. Understand? We take that target
one by one.
One by one.
Yeah.
But there's already people who are reaching out. Like there's a guy in Mums. You know, Mama, I had to go to propaganda to shoot. A promo for the next week. That guy, he didn't even bring a jacket or thingy, a blanket. He brought a full range of baby clothes.
Like some.
Also, baby clothes for one So it's just angry than a gigalito. But he was willing to give.
Yeah.
I've got people already that are saying, so we're knocking door to door. We want those jackets. Because guys, I can get a jacket in.
Yeah.
I just want one that somebody else will wear if we're happy. Or one that you, with women, if a woman would buy a jacket, go home, realize it doesn't fit with their clothes, and say, I don't like this jacket. That's the one. Yes. That's the one. Understand? I'm just saying, give me something to work with here.
Yeah.
So whether I get jacket or get jacket or get jacket understand? Like I just need jackets and I need blankets.
Yeah.
If you've got 15 blankets in your house and there's one that you've only used for a month and you felt you guys are not using it anymore.
Yeah.
Give it to me. I'll give it to some orphanage somewhere where they need blankets.
Yeah.
That's literally what I want for my birthday. Le majita ka kwa huntsa. Anganyake mabotolo a phela le nrekela ona.
Yeah.
No.
Rekang dikubo. Yes.
Because also on my birthday I won't even be around.
Okay.
I'm probably gonna start distributing those things on the Monday because we're having a Makutumela camp from the 10th to the 12th of July.
Yeah.
So from the 10th to the 12th of July, we'll be having a camp.
Okay.
Yeah. So that day I got camp on the Sunday.
Yeah.
And then on the Monday, that's when now we start distributing now. And I also need like charity things where people will tell me, so jacket 23 and then we distribute accordingly.
Yeah. Now, Majami, with everything, including this one, your birthday, and everything else that you do, what is it that you want to achieve?
I want to change the world.
Yeah, man.
I want to change the world for the better.
Yeah.
Nyogofukuta mehavaru. Nyogofukuta mona.
Yeah.
My ultimate thing that I will tell you. Can you imagine a world where sharp or sharp? We are not rich, but we can afford.
Yeah, we can afford. Yes.
We don't see a reason of being in comparison with somebody else because we've got those things.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the world that I want to live in. Or leave a legacy of.
Yeah.
That world might not be lived by me and you, but our kids and our grandkids get to experience it. So why not build it now? There's a lot of things that have been built in the 1950s and 40s and 30s, and people are living off them now. So Makutumela is not just a philosophy, it's not just an organization.
Yeah.
It's a legacy. It's a legacy of making sure that people get to where they are and they realize their full potential as human beings. So that's what I want to achieve. Understand?
All right. Okay, no, distracted something. It's fine. But anyway, no, it's fine. It's fine. On some one thing is in Yagamoto. Black Sam, River. Anyway, we move. We carry on. No, I can't know journalist scooter hey wena so laba no o phakilo tsa ka Benz or ka Audi ao e meditse tu wena mo robotong a tlhaile mo mo phone ke o isa le phone yeah so ya ntwengela majita Monday in England when can they check it out?
Majita Monday plays every Monday.
Alala. Yeah.
Majita Monday plays every Monday. We shoot every Monday at Blog.
Yeah.
So besides watching it like on YouTube, you're also welcome to come. Go Blog.
Oh yeah.
Remember, Blom is a restaurant / club. So Africa daw I take a 6 year how.
Why to nara?
Yeah, plus kari manta how na lagar body special. 6 more from Hodu.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you buy your beers, we get on set, and with us we record. A lot is connected to speakers and everything, so
everyone can hear everything. Yeah.
Sometimes they even participate. So it's a different type of setup when it comes to our podcast.
Oh yeah. No, I know.
I know a lot of people see it from the back end, but there's always an audience. There's people who travel.
Yeah, so yeah.
There's people who travel from Kempton Park, Eden Vale, Soweto,
yeah,
Rustenburg, just to watch his soul.
It's all alive, yeah.
And you find that somebody else would say, Joe, these guys, some people, I don't know how people think. Because people would think we don't exist.
When I'm not really AI,
Or something. Because people would think we don't exist. I don't think we want to life. It's not crazy. I'm not judging.
Yeah. But it shows the power that you have.
Yeah, I just never thought we would be at this level.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes, yeah.
It takes a lot of effort for someone who has petrol.
Go fetsa fela o drive back or book or robalo tsamaya bole morawa tomorrow.
So it takes another level of. I look at it and I say, yeah, go home. No?
Yeah.
You know? So yeah, Machita Monday is always Mondays. Yeah.
So Miss Kali in a minute or two. Let's talk about Agare Skuta Nasemba is it in a question. What you say we misa let's all fetso le misa lankobo tor question la ya ga. So let's talk about the support. I know okay, you've been talking about your daughter, I know, and not even today, ke kha. And I know Ralimfana we long hore ilona superstar o feta wena, but story for another ya re tlogele e. Le wena wa itse o ke fact e. No, o ke fact e. O ka tsa le wena wa bona that boy. That boy o tse bana ba rena ba byang. Ba re tsela ba feta jo. So ntana o tseletsa ba feta. Nana ngwana ha o bone ko mokana nkang. O bone go lo tlhalefile byang. A re tlola sgelo, o bone that boy tlhalefile byang. O mmotsa question, o na le answer for everything and the answer ya hae e. O ka lo hanya ne. So ke superstar. But we happy because o tlhamo matsong a o etsa rona ntse botlhoko tshwana le gore o na le ngwana ka montlong role model ya hae e nne bramantla ka mo next door ka mo a beile borukhumo tla sa mara ngwana mona re when I grow up I want to be like that guy because when you never there or when how exist mo philong ba hae a o itse le gore ngwana o tswile bya ngwana o tshwere ke founu ka ba o botsa fe. You get what I'm saying? So the support from your family, because I know re ka Spanish rona sejo hona le mo ilong hore you don't want to give up but o feel we imelwa man and you need to offload and tshwantse offload mo mothong eleng hore you know hore motho o supportive lo tomorrow a wetse ntho ka mo kgoinkimelang ka teng ke feel ka re ka no tsa break ke re awa fitla mo hore o tlo stop you need to so for you support e teng from your side of the family, whether ke mosadi ke batswadi like support eleng hore na wa itlhoka.
Yeah, no, I've never gotten any negative support structure from my family. My family, I only count what I have in my house.
Oh, come on, man, yeah. Yeah.
What I have in my house is my family now. Meaning my wife and my kids.
Yes.
Umpile, as clever as he is, when you ask him, what do you want to be when you grow up? He says, I want to be like my father. I don't know what he sees in me. But that's what he sees. You know, I even ask myself, does this guy even know what he wants to do?
Yes.
Because being me is not an easy thing.
Yeah.
Let put your place because I do a lot of things in a short space of time. And I can't leave things hanging. I want to do them, execute them, and finish them.
Yeah.
So the support structure from my house is very good, man. Like my people, they understand my life, they understand my schedule. I think the guilty part about it is from my side. Yeah, look, it's from my side to a point where I had a friend that was asking me about parenthood last week. Arjo, what is your version of good parenthood? What do you mean? You're raising a 16-year-old and a 12-year-old. I said, there's no formula.
Yes.
Karena Joe, I thrive by the day. What do you mean, Karen? Kachelu ki Tuesday. Kile Josie, kile podcasting, and ko ya somewhere ko bua ka munku ka bloma le bana ba ka. Ra tlotsanya na 2 minutes ba tlhapa le nna ka tlhapa ra ngwana. For today, because I didn't spend the whole day with my kids, it means I've taken a loss as a father and a husband. Tomorrow, this guy who kata NBA Africa.
Mm.
Kaira matirikwana ka di connections taka ka cry ticket because he loves basketball.
Mm-hmm.
And I get him to courtside. And he's got a full experience. For that day, he win as
a father. Come on
Understand?
now.
Yeah, that's how I move. One.
Yeah.
I don't evaluate myself on long term. The particular day that I'm supposed to do what is supposed to be done as a father and a husband.
Yeah.
Either I do it or I accept the failure that comes with it and fix from there. One.
Yeah.
It's as simple as that. Because you realize it, or there's a lot of things that I'm gonna be doing wrong.
Yeah.
And I won't be able to fix them because by the time you don't know problem.
Yeah,
they're gonna lead me to depression of thinking maybe I'm not
cut out for this. Yeah.
Maybe I'm not a good husband.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
So sometimes they are deadbeats and whatever. Sometimes bachava because of inferior bachava. I don't know if I'm making sense.
Yes.
I'm working a 9 to 5, you patela 5,000. But one nagma mati.
Out. Yeah, Ajafat, yeah.
La musola, Marawakra Luhur, diver head, you look deeper into it. Put her defeated before the Lord cool. Aram taking.
Yeah.
So, with that being said, it's how I look at it according to support structure. Another thing, you must also understand that Lorena, as parents, we need to be supportive of our kids. We grew up in environments where our parents were not supportive because they didn't know how to. Not because they didn't want to. They didn't know how to. So right now we must change that narrative. Immediately, hey,
yes.
Understand? Manola upele papa ya lete. Mutamona menu potential ya high fit. But as we can go as ball. Even if we're now a ball, ya ball.
Yeah.
Who blow me down for like
yes.
I want to eat the time of
the
exactly. So that's naki level love out, Brian.
Yeah.
My daughter loves to dance. She loves dancing. She would dance the whole day if she has to.
Yeah.
I encourage it because it's what she loves.
Yes.
But there's certain deals in place. So you cannot be dancing the whole day. You'll be home with that.
Yes.
So we need to have that kind of an understanding first, then we can do it.
Yeah.
Trust me, let me video stuff. Well, I can't dance, but I can probably surely try.
Yeah.
So that Lena couldn't put her name time out right.
Yeah.
So I think that's why if you want to talk support, you must understand that support is a two-way street.
Yeah.
As much as these people are supporting you and they are also acknowledging the fact that what you are doing is working very hard for them, you need to also support them in what they're trying to pursue.
Yeah, man.
Karena go ngwe Brian ka respect support go batho ba sa ba rutang support.
Respect ba itse byang.
O itse byang.
Yes.
So if you are there for your kid also needs to know that in crucial times where you are supposed to be doing something that is challenging for you, he needs to be there. Ara mujita ke go ta wena o ga ira.
Yes. O fale maleno ro wena o give o fale.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And everybody would say that is sad.
Yes.
You see, no, now it is too Oceana because you know right. You're right. Lemfanaga we will that chance to know. So support structure Braga is built by you.
Yeah.
It's built by you so that it can also come to you.
Yeah, no, Machomi, thank you so much for coming, man. So here it's merchandise merchandise about Krakai, low and on social media about Krakai. Also your last words to your friends, your supporters, our viewers, and your new friends.
Merchandise is a number. Yeah,
Yeah.
WhatsApp. It's 06825222559. Yeah, it's 06825222559.
Yeah.
It's a WhatsApp number. So immediately when you type hi, enter
Yeah.
link
message,
mola,
yeah.
ho click a link yela, you
Of whatever
type
they-
everything ere rekisang ya Magutsume.
Yeah.
Wow. So yeah. From then on, that's how we sell everywhere in South Africa. As long as there's a PEP, we're already set.
Yeah.
So you order, you pay, we do your T-shirt, we'll send it via PAX
Mm-hmm.
to get it to your nearest thing. PEP. Yeah, more is gonna come from outside. You know, we keep on building, we keep on linking up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. My final word to everything is
Before your final word, banya go donate the blankets, the jacket,
yes.
Well,
If you want to donate blankets and jackets, you can also WhatsApp the same number.
Okay, yeah.
Or you can look for Big Room on Facebook,
Yeah.
Big Sexy on TikTok.
Okay.
I woke up one day, this man is changing his name to Big Sexy on TikTok.
Winner.
So,
No, what would it be?
Yeah,
Before Marani, we are that. Yeah.
and with me, it's Impossible Nation all the way.
Yeah.
Then there's Maguzumela pages. Like, more Hotlemu, you can just send us an inbox.
Yeah.
And, probably we'll give you the numbers so that we can, talk directly and
Yeah.
But yeah, man, please donate. I need to reach this target.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool. I mean, we go March.
Mm.
We've got 3 months to go. So I think we can, we can win it if we want to,
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, man. Yeah.
Your last
Basically,
words?
that's where you get us. My last words. Let's just push, guys.
Yeah, man.
We need to push to where we're going.
Mm.
If you can dream it, you need to push it.
Yeah.
I'm not saying you can achieve it. I'm saying you just need to push it to get it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man.
So I'm pushing. Let's not give up.
Yeah.
That's why one of the slogans, Tama Kutumela ke Arlofe, Ariemi, Arlap. We need to make sure.
Yeah.
Or we get to those goals. But we're not very far from success.
Yeah.
It's just around the corner. We just need one more push to get there.
Yeah.
Very high.
No, Machomi, thank you so much for coming, man. And this is a message that I give to everyone. Orwana. Keep on pushing, don't stop, no matter what. Look at Talang Bona. Kutonna let's fuba omuana, hona omu, loka via, Casilo to replace and Lagazamo Tanto Yeta, Agaspanelona, so there can only be one you. So the version that you are, Machomi, or anyone I destroy. Keep on pushing, don't stop, and may God bless you even more and open more bigger doors for you. Thank you so much for taking your time. As far as Ovonya. Samto Podcast. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And remember, keep on subscribing. We are here to push and we are here to inform you and make sure we tweet karona o di bone karona kgotsa ka di guests tsa rona hopola go frostana blind but it's highly modimo o rata feta ka tsela leng gore na go rata ka yona. Remember, Samto is brought to you by Sly J, Next Multimedia, where quality meets creativity. Till re kopana hape next time. Chovicho.